how do we deal with jealous people, especially if those people are the ones who are very close to our hearts and they mean a lot to us, and if they are friends, family, or whosoever that may be. How do we deal with them? One, when you spot someone being jealous, first, there are two things that you can do as a repercussion to how you feel. Obviously, if you're listening to this video, that means you have not felt good, and that is bothering you, and you don't know how to react, and that is the reason you're here. If jealousy is triggering you, that means you're vulnerable already. It's not what the mean comment was all about, it's how you're feeling inside. Because no matter how mean someone is to you at a certain point of time, if you're very happy, it's very easy for you to forget people being mean. But if you're already vulnerable and you meet a person whom you love, or a random person, and then you spot jealousy over there, or the mean comment impacts and triggers you, is because you're vulnerable. So accept it that you're vulnerable. Now, talking about solutions, one, ignore. 90% of the times the best thing to do is to ignore, or two is confront. And confront doesn't mean go and fight with the person and say that how dare you think this about me. No, confront means have empathy for them and go ahead and be open about how the mean comment made you feel and what you're thinking in your head, because one mean comment can at times spiral down into many negative thoughts, and you may end up overthinking the situation and come up with things that actually was not meant at all. It was just a mean comment, that's it, full stop over there. Again, I would emphasis on the fact that ignoring is 99% times the best thing that you can do. Second go-to method to handling jealous people around you is focus on your purpose, focus on your goal. So if a XYZ person was jealous for your certain kind of success or whatsoever it is in your life, think that why you did so and so thing. Think about what was the impact that you wanted to create, for which you have chosen a path. Think of your goals, think of your ambition. Know exactly what you want. I know 90% of the people around us don't know what they exactly want and what their purpose is and stuff like that. But if you have a purpose, it's very difficult for people to pull you down no matter what. So it's always easy to get triggered when you're not very sure about the purpose, and if someone comments on that, that is when we break down and we don't feel very good about ourselves, and we get confused and we don't know what to do. So if jealousy is something that is impacting you, that means you need to be very sure of your purpose, rethink on what you're doing, what your goals are, what impact it creates. The third strategy is get better at what you're doing right now. So the intention behind getting better and harnessing your interests or whatever it is which is making you successful is not to ignite the jealous behavior of that person, or to not provoke the jealous person, but the intention should be to attract more people in life who admire you and are not jealous of you. So basically, short term successes are something that is attracted by like jealous people. Because normally if you have a long term success, that means you will be attracting people who admire you. So again, if you find more and more jealous people around you, that means it's a very short term success. Instead of being very happy that you're successful, how you should process it should be like thinking of long term goals or long term successes. The fourth strategy is be humble and give out as much as you can. Be a philanthropist, believe doing charity, because the one who's jealous maybe has certain issues which they are not able to talk to you like adults, and how it is coming out is through a mean comment. So the best way to think about this is, what if the other person who has actually hurt you by a mean comment was trying to say that I'm scared of being left behind. This is a very good strategy to understand the other person, get into their shoes. Maybe they passed on a mean comment which you thought came out of the filters of jealousy, is because they are literally scared that they will lose you and they would not be what you are. And in that kind of scenario, the best thing that you can do right away is to help them, pull people up, help people raise, help people reach a point where they feel exactly like how you feel after you attain your certain goals. Help as many people as you can.